bamboo, fur, ink. 1,000 years ago, that was all it took for a single hand to shake an empire. From the very beginning, bamboo grew alongside Chinese civilization. Deep in the forest, two slender stalks reached toward the sky. That unmistakable silhouette became one of the earliest characters ever carved. Centuries later, under the song, bamboo was everywhere. It became part of everyday life, a building material, and, above all, a symbol of the scholar. As the centuries passed, the drawing grew simpler, until they became the character we still write today. Strong without being rigid, it came to embody integrity itself. In nature, every shape has its own language. The ancients did not invent characters. They observed the world and captured its essence. A single line, a movement, a trace of life. This became the character for hair. And over time, what began as an observation of nature became part of humanity's memory.
毛皮已收，此乃天禧4年岁贡，貂皮300张，狐皮50张。毛者，皮之华也。两国之盟，如次子之比，一画不可断。
Legend tells us that during the reign of China's first emperor, General Meng Tian sought to give writing a new future. At dawn, a tuft of animal fur caught in the branches drew his eye. The bamboo offered strength. The fur offered flexibility. Together, they became an object that would accompany scholars for more than 2,000 years. Bamboo for the handle, fur for the tip. Together, they became Bi, the Chinese brush. A silent witness to an extraordinary story, the story of the only civilization to preserve its writing for more than 3 millennia. Even today, the brush still guides the Chinese hand, and for over 3,000 years, it has never missed a single stroke.